Chief Minister N Biren luchingba lengak asida yauriba BJP ki Minister Mari ngasi N Biren bu Chief Minister Famdagi Sindoknaba party ki central leader singa wa khanarunaba New Delhi ki damak Imphal Thadoklani PAOGI LIKHUN AMAGI MATUNG INNA NGASI NUNGTHIL PUNG 3:30 gi flight ta Delhi CHATKADOURIBA Minister Singh ADUDI Works Minister TS BISWAJIT Education Minister TS RADHESHYAM Social Welfare Minister NEMCHA KIPGEN AMADI Agriculture Minister B HANGKHANLIANNI HAIRI NGARANG NUMIDANGWAIRAM Minister Mari ASIGA ATOPPA BJP gi MLA Taruk PUNNA MIFAM ama FAMDUNA N Biren bu Chief Minister Famdagi LOUTHOKNABA wa KHANNAKHI HAIRI Ngasi Delhi da CHATKADOURIBA Minister Mari asina BJP gi National President JP Nada amadi General Secretary BL Santos ka unaduna BJP gi MLA singna masana yana sign tauba Chief Minister sinnabagi demand yauba Cherol Singsu khusinagani Hauzik fawbagi oina fangba pauda Education Minister TS RADHESHYAM Social Welfare Minister NEMCHA KIPGEN amadi Agriculture Minister B HANGKHANLIANNI Imphal International Airport ta thunglakre hairi Paumi Singda Fongdok Lamba Wafam Amada Minister Dr. T.S. RADHESHYAM na Delhi Chalibasi BJP Party asi Chaukhadhannabaga loinana tongan ba Ministry Singdagi ahenwa fan LOUTHOKNABA wari shanaba chatpa khongchatni CM Sinmagi wa khanaba chatpa khongchatnati haina Fongdok Lamki hairi